Okay, so here I'll show you how to animate your PowerPoint presentation slide. Here I have opened a simple slide, and I'll show you how to animate this simple slide. So first of all, you will have to design and place all your elements on the slide where you want. Just like this, I have designed this simple presentation, and it is just simple. No animation on this slide. Just simple. I have designed this simple slide. Now I want to add animation in this slide. So first of all, I would like to add animation to this object. So first click on the respective object which you want to animate, and then slide to the animation tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. So here you will find all the animation which you want. You can you can try each of them like this, this, and this. You can try all these different animation. I think here this one is best for this. Now I need to animate this one. So click on the respective object and then try different animations. I think this one is best here. It is shooting here. So this one. Hmm. So I have set animation on all these objects on this slide. Now when I play this slide on mouse click, it will animate like this. On mouse click or just like on arrow down, you can play this slide. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.